Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a National Senior First Place Award winner right here. 1965 Ford Fairlane 500. It is a beauty. It's in pristine condition. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the videos come out. Right now, wipe off your shoes and join me. Let's go for a ride in this 65 Fairlane. The tag is right on the grill. It was AACA, the Antique Automobile Club of America, the Senior Award. That means it won a first prize, and then it competed again for the Senior Award. It was in 2010. It's been collector-owned since then. It's been very well taken care of, so it's still in excellent shape. It's a 70,000 mile car, so they started with a really clean car to begin with. The underneath is all detailed. If you look at the pictures and wonder why there's yellow paint markings and paint dabs, that's how the assembly line would have had the car. All the different markings told the workers what parts were what. So anyway, they duplicated it just as if it rolled off the assembly line. The whole bottom is detailed. It does have a dual exhaust. The wheels and tires are brand new. I have in the trunk, I'll show you in a minute, I have the burgundy rim with the spinner wire wheel hubcaps. They're in excellent shape. That will go with the car. These were just put on to give it a little pizzazz. That's a 289 with a Cruise-O-Matic power steering. Now let's talk about the body. It is a metal flake paint, real tiny metal flake that just gives it enough sparkle when the lights hit it. Beautiful color. It's the color it was born. The body is absolutely straight. I'm looking all along the bottom. It is like a mirror. I see my feet just like I'm looking into a mirror. The stainless moldings are straight and polished, and the mirror has the Ford logo. All this stainless is beautiful. The glass is crystal clear. The grille, the bumper, hood ornament, all this stuff is in excellent shape. Correct antenna, also a Ford mirror on this side. The vent window pillars are real nice. All of this is excellent. The gaps are right on, nice and smooth, no bubbles. And it's been painted at least 10 years because that's when it won, and it's holding up really well. I love it when a door shuts like that. You just push the button and it pops open. Jambs are real nice. Look at the latches are detailed. The weather strips are excellent. The interior is in excellent condition. Tail lights, all the trim, it's all in excellent shape. There we go. These are the rims and the hubcaps. They're the wire wheel original hubcaps. Will go with the car. The entire trunk compartment painted beautifully, same color as the car. The new plaid mat has a painted rim and a tire and a jack for a spare. It's got the sticker, it's got new weather strip. So super clean engine compartment. Door panel's mint. It's mint. It's not warped, not nothing. It's mint. Carpets are excellent. It has embroidered Fairlane floor mats. The dash is all painted nice, all the plastic and knobs and shift indicator, the horn ring, all of that's in excellent shape. I'll start it up in a minute. The really nice running 289, and this is all stock. It has the right air cleaner with the heat riser tube, the little metal tabs on the exhaust manifold bolts, the right hoses and clamps, all the nuts and bolts and hood insulation, and everything's proper. I said power steering. Why don't we fire it up for you? Pretty rare car. You don't see many of these. But it's the condition that you're really paying for here. This is a nice, nice car. Yeah, 75,000 miles are on it. It's a white headliner, excellent shape. Visors, the mirror are excellent. The dome light works. The kick panels are excellent. It's real nice inside the glove box. Clean inside the ashtray. That sounds nice. The shuts so nice. Turnkey, ready to go, ready to show, ready to drive, ready to impress your neighbors. I love it when a door shuts like that. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can get in touch with our staff. They can help answer any questions or concerns you have about the car, the financing, the delivery, whatever concerns you about the process, let us know. Go to our, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.